So hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of ITO, that is Indian Talent Olympiad for grade 1 to 10. Now, as you know, I have already uploaded the videos for syllabus and exam pattern of the subjects Maths, Science, English, Essay and Drawing. So today I am here with the next video of the syllabus and question paper pattern of GKIO, that is General Knowledge International Olympiad. So let's get started. So basically this Olympiad is for those students who stay updated with the current affairs and the present happenings all over the world. This exam tests students' general knowledge in various aspects like environment science and technologies, geography, history, plants and animals, entertainment, life skills, language and literature, transport, sports, civics, politics and so on. Earlier, it was known as the National GK National Knowledge Indian Talent Olympiad, that is NKITO. So this GKIO is not limited to the textbooks knowledge. It allows the students to open their horizon and know much more than what is taught in the school. So the general knowledge exam plays a crucial role in the shaping students' future. So let us talk about that how to participate in GK International Olympiad. So same as like other Olympiads, you can register yourself individually from the website to the official link. This link I will post in the description box. You can go through with this link and directly register yourself. This Olympiad is for students of grade classes 1 to 10. Participating students can order their Olympiad books and previous year question papers for their preparation from the official website. And students who are enrolling yourself individually, they can give the exam from their respective homes. And important thing, the last date to participate in this is 30th September 2021 for the offline exams and 31st October 2021 for the online exams. Now let us see how to prepare for the GK Olympiad. So for preparing GK Olympiad, as GK is a vast subject that covers the number of topics, so many topics are being covered in the GK, general knowledge. To make the students prepare for GK Olympiad, you can refer to the workbooks and the previous year question papers which are available, which you can order from the official website of Indian Talent Olympiad. So when you order these, so proper study material can help you, or if your child is participating, so it can help to boost up their confidence and resulting in better academic scores. Now next is the question paper pattern. So for classes 1 to 4 there will be total 35 questions and time allotted will be 65 minutes, that is 1 hour 5 minutes. The section will include the 22 subjective questions. Subjective questions means the topic which I am going to discuss in the video further. The 22 questions will be asked from that topics. 3 questions will be asked from the HOTS, higher order thinking skills, and 10 questions will be asked from the logical reasoning, and all the questions will be of 1 mark each, right? And time allotted is 65 minutes, total 35 questions. So logical reasoning means what are the topics which are covered in the logical reasoning part is alphabet test, number series, analogy and classification, ranking test, logical sequence of words and letter, coding and decoding, blood relations, direct sense test, mirror image, geometrical shapes, grouping, embedded days and dates, right? For classes 5 to 10, for 1 to 4 there were 35 questions. Now there are 50 questions for grade 5 to 10. Time allotted at 65 minutes, same as that. Pattern will be like there will be 30 questions from the subjectives from the topics given. HOTS question will be 5 and there will be 15 logical reasoning questions from these topics like series, completion and alphabet number, analoguing, coding and decoding, blood relations, direct sense, logical Venn diagram, puzzle, mathematic operation, analytical reasoning, mirror and water image, embedded figures and figure formation, figure matrix and ranking. Now here we are talking about the exam date. So for offline exam, it has been decided that the exam will be conducted on 2nd December 2021 if all the situations related to COVID will be get over. So there will be offline exam in your school at 2nd December, but otherwise you can opt for the online exam also, that is on 9th of December to Thursday 2021. So now I'm going to share the syllabus, class-wise syllabus of each class from classes 1 to 10. Each slide will remain for 10 seconds in front of you. You can take the screenshot of the same. So let's see. For class 1, so I hope you have taken the screenshot of your respective class. So other subjects are left like computer and social studies. If you are participating in computer or social studies, so you can write me in the comment box. Then I'll make the video for computer and social studies as well. You can see mathematics, science, English, essay, GK and drawing videos are already uploaded in the description box. You can check the link or you can go to my playlist also. The playlist is ITO, Indian Talent Olympiad. Apart from this syllabus and question paper pattern, what all other videos you want from me, so you can write down that also in the comment box. So in the last, I would request you to like this video and you can share it with your friends, those who are participating in GK Olympiad, right? You can also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please do that. And you can also like my Facebook page as well. The Facebook page, it is given here on the side. It is Math Card by Nidhi. So Facebook page link is also given in the description box. You can go through and please do like to keep me motivated. So thank you all of you. Thank you so much for your kind support. Bye bye.